Welcome to Reverse Tone Training, your source for valuable financial insights. We're exploring the fascinating world of currency trading today. What is Forex trading? The purchasing and selling of currencies is a component of Forex trading, also known as foreign exchange trading. It's the largest and most liquid financial market in the world, where currencies are traded 24/5 across different time zones. Currency pairs. Trading currency pairings in Forex entails exchanging one currency for another. Market participants. Various participants drive the Forex market, including banks, governments, corporations, and individual traders. Each has a unique impact on the market's dynamics. Leverage and margin. Trades can be controlled by traders using leverage and less capital. However, it magnifies both profits and losses. Margin is the collateral required to open a leveraged position. Market analysis. Successful trading requires thorough analysis. Fundamental analysis considers economic indicators, interest rates, and geopolitical events. Bull and bear markets. Similar to other financial markets, Forex experience is bull rising and bear falling markets. Understanding these trends is essential for making informed trading decisions. Risk management. Risk management is crucial in Forex trading. Setting stop loss and take profit levels enables the reduction of potential losses and the protection of gains. Demo accounts. Use demo accounts to practice trading before engaging in genuine trading. These allow you to simulate real market conditions without risking actual funds. Join us again at Reverse Tone Training for more insights into the world of finance. Until next time, trade wisely and stay curious.